This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Rees. Le Chalet 4/2 Home. This is a true 4-bedroom with split plan and a huge master bedroom. Open floor plan with updated kitchen and dining room or den. Screened-in patio with washer and dryer in separate area. Large backyard that backs up to a canal for privacy. 1-car garage includes a separate shower and counter and refrigerator. A rated school district makes this a very desirable community. Please no showing before open house. For more information, review the details below or contact Elizabeth Rees at 561-981-9400.